we gonna do, Jay? Yeah, we are gonna clean the fridge using this, the refrigerator cleaner. Yeah, germ killing rate 99.9%. So, is it smelling good? Yeah, and Arthos is trying the product right now. You just have to what? Spray it inside the fridge.
Help me.
Okay. Sure, I will help you. Just spray it here. And then, let's get a wiper. This one.
Where's the wiper?
Oh, this one. Ayan, kailangan lang natin ng panglinis. Ito lang yung panglinis ko. Gusto ko lang ng brush with stick. Pang-wipe ko talaga to anywhere. So, gagamitin natin to inside the ref. Na-sprayan na natin. And then, now we will scatter the liquid. Ayan, to sanitize our ref. And to clean it. Ayan, and it's very safe. And it's 99.9 killing germs. So, yung mga amoy-amoy ng ref nyo, natatanggal niya. At the same time, lumilinis. Diba? Yan, yung mga gilid-gilid, don't forget that. Kasi medyo masikip ang aming ref. Kaya kailangan ng mega clean. And don't forget this. Ito, sobrang halaga to. Kailangan nyo isanitize ang door ng ref. Kasi yan ang hinahawakan ng bata. So, we are all safe and bacteria-free. Just do this and spread a bit. Tada! There, you are safe, germ-free. Nakagad ang inyong ref. And sa murang halaga lang, very affordable and very sulit. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do this. You have to avail this. Thank you, Beautiful PH, for recommending us this cleaning agent, the refrigerator cleaner. This is it. This is the bottle. Sa mga gustong umorder, ilalagay ko lang ang link sa baba. Just click the yellow basket and you can order this directly from your TikTok accounts. Click the yellow basket. Nandito lang ang link. Nasa baba lang ng video na to. So, this is it. Thank you, Beautiful PH. Andyan ang link. Don't forget, link. Click the yellow basket. You will never regret this cleaning agent, cleaning hack sa inyong ref. Mwah! I love ya.